This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 14 of building the Infinity Gauntlet, the Thumb Part 4 this time. This issue is not a build issue, this is a keep it aside for later issue. So we'll have a look through the magazine, we'll have a look at the parts, and then we'll put them aside for later. Looking at the return of Thanos. Thanos went away for a little while, he came back. Obviously he's got to come back, because he's got to use the gauntlet. It's his gauntlet, that's what we're building. Yes, so there we have that. You can read all about the return of Thanos and the saga of the gauntlet section. All of them doing things there. Right, this is what we've got today. Just a couple of parts, a metal part and a plastic part. It shows us the overview, which I'll put up in the corner when I'm looking at the parts, of how the thumb is going to go together, which is probably an overview of all of the fingers as well, much the same. Looking at Nebula, obviously we know her from the Guardians films, which I have just watched the third Guardians of the Galaxy film and quite liked it. Wasn't quite as good as the first two, but it's still worth watching, an enjoyable film all the same. There we have that. You can read all about her in there. And Roger Stern is an editor and creator as well. Cool. Right, let's have a look. Let me just move this out of the way. That's the easiest way of doing this. There we go. This is what we're working on. This is what we've got so far. The thumb articulated a little bit with the thumb tip. And that bit, that looks a lot like it's going to join up. No, maybe not. I was going to say it's going to join up there, but it sort of doesn't. Maybe that's the next joint down. I don't really know. So, yes, we had that last time and didn't install it anywhere. This is what we've got this time, and we're not installing those anywhere either. But that's going to be the next section, or another section. Down there, somewhere, at some point. It might even be the other way. No, it's got to be that way around. So I shall put those aside as said, and next time we shall return and no doubt be using these and the parts that are supplied next time as well. I don't mind the issues where you just get something. Obviously the artwork is designed to have a certain number of issues. There are going to be some issues that you do more and some you do less. But supplying you with parts so they don't give you double the parts in another issue, it's all fine with me. So thank you for watching. A very quick one this time. Next time might be a little bit more involved. It might not. We'll find out. There's a couple of issues left in this delivery. So I shall see you from the next one of those very soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.